this is part 2.
But this time,
Stunt double. And this time, I'm going to be doing it. So, yeah. Here I go.
I don't know who those kids over there are. Oh, those are my friends. You ready, Kyle? Oh, damn. Oh, I wiped out pretty bad. Over there, you can probably see my seat. Yep. Nice cow. Okay. Look at all the mosquitoes.
So yeah, that's pretty cool.
Look at that mosquito.
Unfortunately, we can't do another one because we have to go soon.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Thanks
Peace
for
out.
watching us. Subscribe, comment,
And
peace.
like. And like. Okay.
Peace.
Peace.